First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking about the most perfect corporate baddie wig, okay? No, literally this is just, I feel like a very work wig to wear, and yeah, so let's just get into it. So this wig is from Luvme Hair company. They sent me this wig. This is pre-colored. I did have to do a little bit of cutting off camera because I wore this wig to work already because I could not wait. And I will say I've worn it for a straight week and it is the most convenient wig. I did not have to install it with anything. Like, it is truly a glueless wig. I took advantage of the adjustable straps, the combs, and it has an elastic band. But I think the thing that really just made it just stay put is the fact that it came with I don't know the material, but it's a band that you put on and your wig is not gonna move. It's not gonna move, okay? I was sweating. They had me out there walking the streets of Charlotte doing a scavenger hunt with my coworkers, and my wig did not lift, it did not move, it just stayed still, okay? The details that I mentioned are going to be down in the description box along with the links to this company's website. I don't think this is titled a ready to wear and go wig, but it is just that. The only reason why I say that was because it wasn't already pre-cut or pre-plucked to the way that I would like it, because I did have to do some plucking to it to prep the wig. I did have to cut the lace in the front. It does have, I believe, a 5x5 lace closure in this construction of this wig, but it's really, I really have nothing more to say. It's just very manageable, it's very convenient, very work-ish type of wig, and I really do enjoy this. This wig is staying in the stash, okay? I need it, especially because now I gotta get up in the mornings and go back to work. And I love how natural it looks too. I just really like it. The moment I walked in the door, I was getting compliments, so you know the wig must be hitting, okay? So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this was a short video, but it is what it is, okay? Y'all see what I'm working with. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come out with everything I did, would you punish me even though I did a long time ago? If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you